Good afternoon friends, welcome to my channel Nepali cooking. So today I'm going to make mutton chowmein, and so I think it'll take another 20 minutes for after boiling to get this mutton cooked, and in the meantime I will go ahead and prepare the noodle. The veg noodles Kalimpong style. This Maharaja noodles. A bit of oil so that the noodles doesn't get sticky. Water has been boiled, and I'm going to put the noodles in this boiling water and probably cook for say about 4 to 5 minutes until the noodle gets soft and tender, ready to eat. While this noodle gets cooked, let us check the meat status of the meat. I think this also has been cooked, so I'll take the meat outside. So I think now it's done. It looks very bright yellow, vibrant color. So the noodles has also been prepared. Let me chop these mutton pieces. I'll show you what are the ingredients that I've prepared to make the final output, that is mutton chowmein. This is dark soy sauce, this is vinegar, these are chopped boiled mutton pieces with a little bit of fat, and this is of course the noodles. This is mutton stock. Actually it is not mandatory with the mandatory with the noodles, but yes, we can make it as a good soup. And this is coriander stem, and these are coriander leaves, and these are eggs, and these are mixture of 4 herbs, that is oregano, rosemary, thyme and basil. It's dried herb. I got it from the market. And this is carrot of course, and ginger. And yes, you can also add capsicum and a cabbage or even green peas if you want. That's up to you, but I have not used those ingredients or those vegetables in this particular recipe. It's just like you can just play around with different colorful vegetables, maybe spring onions. So a little bit of oil, just not putting much on it. Black pepper powder, stir it, and coriander stems, and this ginger. Let it cook for some time. Next herb for some extra flavor, obviously, mutton chunks and a bit of vinegar. Finally, it's time to add the noodles, that soy sauce, so it looks like now it's done. It's time to go ahead and eat. Time to eat. Let me take some fat. So this is egg mutton chowmein. After a very long time, I'm eating this mutton chowmein, mutton chunks. And, wow. Alright guys, if you like this video, you can give it a like if you want your friends to learn who doesn't know how to make this recipe, you can share it with them. And for future, do comment below what kind of video that you would like to you would like me to make in future. Please put in the comment below. And thank you for watching my channel Nepali Cooking, and you have a great day ahead. Thank you. Coming up with next recipe very soon. Till then, see ya. Bye bye.